Well, hello again, everyone that likes cartoon deformed Hot Wheels. Today we have the 2004 first edition of the Fatbax Corvette C6. Alright, here's some cartoon images. Really like that one with the four pipes there. Yeah, caricatures of cars. I think you have to be older to appreciate these things. When I was a kid, I thought people that wore t-shirts of stuff like that were just weird. But now that I'm old, I like it. You see here, there's some other images of the other vehicles. I got these three. I don't have those two. They're fantasy vehicles, so maybe someday. Oh, there's actually a whole list of them if you're... Let me focus on that text. That's the list of fatbacks, I guess. I got this off eBay in a big order. They were pretty cheap because no one in their right mind wants to collect these, but I'm not normal. We have a metal base on this thing, and it says 05 Corvette, so that's good. It would have been nice if it said C6, though. And then copyright date is a year before. Yeah, big domed, big rounded tires, so it actually rolls pretty well because of that. There's no drag. Alright, so the back, it does have giant exhaust like that cartoon image, so I like that a lot. And it'll be really easy to add black paint in there. I like that the taillights are nicely done as well as the Corvette badge. So this is printed very nice. I like it. Going to the top, we have just a black window. There's no interior on this guy. And unfortunately, the black painting on the hood is not covering all of it. I would have rather just have no black up here. Just leave it alone, you know? Don't introduce weird ways to make your model look bad if you can avoid it. That's what I think. Okay, so Corvette badge here is nice and interesting. They put three little ovals into the headlight areas. I don't know if that's good or not. I guess it's good, maybe. What do you think? These are nicely recessed, the grill area, as well as these little vents and stuff, so pretty good. Alright, the side we have a little bit of a door handle detail and like some sort of marker indicator there, and possibly there, I don't know, but the side vent goes in a little bit. Yeah, I don't see a fuel filler. Not sure what it would be on this car. Alright, well anyways, let's take a look at some images and I'll come back with some nice 3D wheels, hopefully. So we are back with some stock wheels here that came on this year Corvette, I believe so. Unfortunately, the axle placement of this metal casting is off, so it's not right. You know, the tire is not centered, so it really affected my ability to do it better. This side is obviously better centered. I even tried taking a small drill and drilling it backwards, but just metal, you know, it's hard to do. You might be able to see the red brake caliper in there. It's better obviously in the rear because it's huge. Yeah, you can see the step lines of my 3D printer. It's not the greatest 3D printer. I like that details, and this is a tiny Corvette logo in here. Right there, although the paint's in a little bit. These fatbacks have a lot of axle play, so I couldn't figure out the proper wheel tire diameter because the original tires are like curved. Anyways, added some black paint and some silver here for the backup lights, and then some black in the grill area. And that's about it, I guess. So yeah, the front wheels just don't move because of that weird axle. Compared to a couple other cartoonish Corvettes. Cool drawings, illustrations. I got three different companies or four different companies. First company would be Chorokyu, a very popular brand. But this is an old one, so it's not deformed like other Chorokyus. It's very long. I think it's from 1985 right there. Yep. I think this is a Suntory Boss. It's a free promotional item that came with some Suntory Boss coffee cans in Japan. I had to buy it, of course. And they added some Hot Wheels, like metal wheels. Those aftermarket wheels you can buy on eBay or AliExpress, and they use some poster putty to mount them. So I think this is a previous generation, C5 Corvette. No, never mind. This is the C6 Corvette. Same headlights. So that's the closest thing to this Hot Wheels here. This is from Kieran, I believe. And unfortunately, it's another freebie, but they don't tell you what the brand of coffee it was. But I think it's a Kieran. So they're much smaller freebie, which makes sense. I mean, it's a free item, so save on cost. This is a very rare deformed vehicle. This is made by C.A. Art. C.A.R. Art? I have no idea. This is almost impossible to find any information on, even with searching all these words on the bottom of this thing. Well, one of these things is the brand, so I 3D printed my own wheels though, because the original ones were all messed up. But these are the original tires that came on this guy, so it's a racing version. All right, so we have 5 different brands of deformed Corvettes. Yeah, everyone's got a different take on them, and that's kind of the fun part for me, collecting, you know, funny looking things. So, look at this guy. And let's pull out a cartoon character. This is a Gundam of a character called Camphor. It's one of my favorite Gundams. This is a deformed version of that. So I have to find it very fitting. Okay, well guys, I appreciate you guys checking this out, and we'll see you again. Bye.